Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain the things related to the how to synchronize the Google Earth view and how to create a KML in Openroads designer. I have made a videos on MX roads and civil 3D how to create a KML file or KMZ file. KML or KMZ are very important um, for a site purpose and so many things. Okay, for environmental approvals. Okay, so now I am going to show how to synchronize. Okay, so first here workflow should be Openroads modeling or else drawing, no issue. If I click on Openroads modeling, go to utilities. Here can you see coordinate system is there. Here you have to click the book symbol, then library. Here projected northing and easting, and then oral UTM and others, and then UTM, and then WGS 84. Here you have to select the proper zone, which zone it belongs to the road, that you can collect it from the here. Can you see here 44R? This is NH91 project, so you can see 44R. So I can go to, I can select 44N. Okay, then just simply click OK. Now close. Here go to view attributes. Here you can see it will be highlighted. Okay, here you can select aerial C. Okay, you can see this is synchronized. Entire alignment, entire, wherever you move the cursor, automatically it will be propagated, everything projected. This is the one of the best thing. Okay, Google Earth synchronize, very simple. Just you have to first give the coordinate system and then go to view attributes, and simply you can select whatever the you map. Hybrid means both, means aerial and street map, both it will come. See, something like this. Okay, some details also will come. Okay, so and then how to create a KML? Very simple. Here you can see export to Google Earth KML file. Simply give a name. See, okay, automatically it will come. Okay, so I hope understand the basic means things, how to create a KML and how to synchronize the uh, Google Earth view. Okay, thanks guys for watching.